Today, just a simple little demo video of some Burl hybrid polyester resin pin blanks that I made. Just took them out of the molds, and I have orange, red, blue, and this one's kind of a rainbow colored. I had some cutoffs from some big leaf maple burl and thought I would just put these into my pin molds and fill it with resin and see how they turned out. With this rainbow colored one, I did something a little bit different. I took about a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch piece of the burl and I made a series of cuts all the way down the length of the burl. You can see it a little bit better there, and I did that on all 4 sides. The downside to turning, just as things are starting to look pretty cool, you blow it out. All I have to say is wow, those turned out freaking amazing. So cool. Really pleased. That looks awesome right there, the color change. Alright, all I have to do is get a pin inside them. Alright, so here's all my pin kits. I get the same one from Amazon. Can't beat it. It's like 25 bucks for 10. And you get all different kinds of finishes. They got brass or gold, copper, chrome, black, like a brushed nickel, and like a brushed pewter. And then you got onyx, which is really cool. It's like a chrome, like a black chrome basically. But the hardest part is to choose which one would look best for your pin blanks. So now that I got all of these turned, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get them all assembled. All right, well, 3 out of 4 ain't bad. And I'm really digging this pin here with the burl that I cut the slots in and then put the different color resin throughout. It turned out awesome. Really happy with it. And the blue and the red, pretty cool. I like those as well. Now for me personally, as cool as I think the hybrid pin blanks are, I'm more partial to just the sort of plain Jane grain, if you will. Nothing real exciting going on. This one was teak and this one was sycamore, and it kind of came out pretty boring. With sycamores can have a pretty unique grain to it, and I don't know if you could see here, this is a sycamore bowl blank that I have right now, and you could see how intricate and unique that could be. But for whatever reason, this one turned out to be a little bit different. But yeah, all in all, I think they turned out pretty amazing. And what I really like about these pin kits, I mean, for as cheap as they are, it's about $2.50 per pin it comes out to, for, you know, $25 for a pack of 10. But just how smooth writing they are. I mean, it writes really smooth and feels like a really high dollar pen. But yeah. So there you have it. Simple little pen turnings, and I think they're pretty unique, and really like the way they turned out. So there you go, another interesting pen turning. If you guys enjoyed the video, I invite you to subscribe and give it a like, share it with your friends, maybe leave a comment or two, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.